R, Ra, Rab, Rabi, Rabia. I am Rabia. I am Rabia. I am T, 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 teach, teach, teach. At, R, Ra, Rad, Rad, Radno, Radner. Place, school, school. I teach at Radnor School. I teach at Radnor School. I am D, do, doing, 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 doing. M, ma, mas, mast, maced, master, masters, masters. I, in, S, SP, spe, spec, specie, specia, special, special. E, ed, edu, edic, educa, educat. Education. I am doing masters in special education. I am doing masters in special education.
Hi guys, this is Rabia. So today we're going to talk about Cuff Drop app for augmentative and alternative communication, commonly known as AAC. If you are new to the app, just like me, so things can seem pretty overwhelming at first, because for me, it is a new and different way to communicate, just like learning a new language. But we should put our best effort and not give up like doing any other thing. And I see there are too many words and phrases. I feel we should take time, like learning step by step, one step at a time, little by little. We can get a grasp of this powerful way to communicate. And we know that AAC is based on the idea that a person who cannot vocalize their own speech can use other means to communicate, and Cuff Drop is one of those means. So in answering the next question, that is about ease of communication with Cuff Drop, I can say that Cuff Drop does an excellent job. The symbols are clear and easy to understand. However, like any new technology, it takes some time to become proficient in using it. I found that spending time to familiarize myself with the various functions and settings is crucial to effectively use the app. And talking about the challenges that students who use AAC might face, we can say that students who rely on AAC, such as this Cuff Drop app, might face several challenges. First of all, learning involves becoming comfortable with the app, so it takes time to get used to the app and start learning everything. First, we need to know that, just give me 1 minute. If we want our students to make consistent and effective use of AAC, it requires practice and support from educators and caregivers. And additionally, students might face frustration, for sure, because if the technology does not work as expected, students can easily get frustrated. So in conclusion, I can say that while CuffDrop presents a valuable communication tool, it requires dedication and support to ensure students can use it effectively. Thank you.